made the sun so bright. The moon and stars shine every night. Birds fly high and sing with cheer, saying Subhanallah loud and clear. Trees and flowers dance in air. Rain falls softly everywhere. All this beauty, big and small, was made by